Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to PEPE update today. So after the bonk update, we bought at 1643. We're actually, let's see how much we are right now. So this was a free trade and it's a trade that is actually meant for you. And yeah, so from I'm gonna take the measurement stick. So I'm gonna take the measure, and from 1643 we're actually 6% up at the moment. Okay, so the technical target is up to here, which is nearly 11% right there. So it was totally free on Discord. Again, if you want to be a part of the Discord, say Discord in the comment section and I'll give you the link. On the other hand, we've talked about PEPE. I've talked about PEPE trying to go back to the upside because of the nature of this little bit of ascending, RSI right over there. So we had a bullish divergence, regular bullish divergence basically, and I told you that we are going to be moving up. Basically, again, this trend line is actually a complementary one. So you got the touch, move up, you had another touch, move up, another one, and a move up, another touch here, and again another move to the upside. Now there are two things in this scenario that can actually happen. Number one is we are about to get a bull cross. So there you go, we are just about to get that crossover, and then we're going to start to go back to the upside. That's going to be really good. And secondly is that since you've broken this trend line, you've actually broken, retested, the first technical target is going to be up to this price here, which is 8131, and then eventually it would still make a lot of sense to see PEPE going back to the upside again. So number one is that you have 8142 as your new technical target, and I think it can actually be even something like this and then go up and actually touch that upper trend line, because you do have the upper trend line as well. Do not forget that one as well, because that's where you had your touch, another touch, another touch, and you probably can see things going up here, back up again. Now there's one more thing. If you check out Bitcoin as well, Bitcoin is actually interested to move up to probably $61,000, and if I do turn back into the 1 hour time frame, here it is, and you can see that you just went down like that, you broke up, you retested, and it actually seems like Bitcoin is going to be pushing up to 61k, and that's when I do expect that PEPE is going to push back up to that target as well. So it's actually syncing up together. The worst case scenario is that PEPE comes down and down and down and goes to 6305, and that's it, game over. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love, peace.